All right. So if you're wondering how to use our weekly plan, so each Monday there'll be a weekly plan posted on your Google Classroom with the date. It says submit your work at the bottom. So over here, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and each column has a subject and the activity to do with it. So on Mondays, so math and ELA are right here. So these are the only two things you need to look at for Monday. There will be links on it. So if you click this link, it'll take you to the SumDog login page. So it says log in and complete the quiz. So you can log in just like you would do in class. After you finish, compete against your classmates in the April competition. Keep some scrap paper and a pencil close by, just like we do in class. Similarly, down here, the English language arts assignment for the day. It's got a little instruction here and then a link as well. So you can click on that link and all the links you should be able to access. Okay, and then Tuesday, same thing in activity. There's no links on this one. The picture's right here that you're supposed to use. And then another link for the English language arts. And that's how it goes for the week. Now, some links, such as these, will take you to like a Google Slides. So you might have to, if you're using an iPad or your phone, you might have to download an app for either Google Docs or Google Slides so that you can view those on your device. Okay, underneath the weekly plan, in this blue area here, we're just going to write some other notes. So for this week, I've got students who receive resource with Miss Stevenson. Please check out her resource folder, and she has a letter written to you. So if you click the link, it'll take you to Miss Stevenson's folder. And so math resources, reading resources, and her letter's right here. But the link to her letter is also there as well. And we've started a frequently asked questions document. So there's a link here to that so that we can put more detailed answers to questions that you might have on there so that there's not too much writing on this page for you and it's relatively simple. Underneath that, you've got our contact information and communication hours. So Mr. Abbott, it's Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. There's his email. My hours are Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to noon. There's my email. And Ms. Rice, she's returning from maternity leave in June, and that's her email as well if you want to reach out to her. These aren't the only times that you can email us, but if you send us an email and you need a phone call or something like that, these are times that we'll be responding to your communication. Okay. At the bottom, it says my work. So at the top, there's all these different activities to do. Please use this bottom part to submit your work. So if you do which one doesn't belong on Tuesday in math, right here, post, so you might say 16 doesn't belong because it's the only even number. And then you might write some other reasons why it doesn't belong. So that's where you should do your work or submit your work. You could also do it by hand, take a picture, upload it, and paste the picture in here. However you want to do it, but we'd like to have all the work posted for you down here. And then on Friday, you can just click turn in. After you turn it in on Friday, we will use the comments section to write some comments and feedback to you, and we'll either return it, but just look on the sides. So I might say, great job, Mr. Hines. So if you're looking for feedback, we're going to try and write comments on your work for the first bit, so just be looking for that as well.